Hey guys! Today we're making this really yummy and easy to make sweet puris. They're super delicious and easy to make. I know it's been a while since I've posted some videos, so here it is. As always, the full recipe will be in the description box below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also, give this video a giant thumbs up if you enjoy. Okay, so to make the puris, you're going to add in your flour to a bowl. And once your flour is in the bowl, then you're going to add in your cardamom powder. And then just give this a quick mix. Once it's mixed, then you can add in your ghee or clarified butter. And then just mix this with your hands. Like this. Next, you can set that to the side. Into a separate pot, you're going to add in your milk, and your sugar, and then you're going to take this over to the stove and keep mixing it, and then let this come to a boil until the sugar dissolves. Once it boils, then take it off the stove and let it cool down. Once it's cool, you can bring back your flour mixture and then pour the milk mixture right into it. Now you can leave about a quarter cup left behind, and if you need to, then you can add it in again, just to ensure that the dough is not too soft. But if your dough is too soft, then you can add in more flour and then just knead it until it's smooth. Then you're going to take your surface and then flour it with some flour, and then you're going to take half of your dough and roll it into a loose ball. Then place it on top and just flour the top as well. Then you want to roll this out and once it's rolled, then you can cut it into shapes. It's so easy to use a pizza cutter for this, and it comes out perfect. Then you're going to take all of the cut pieces and then fry them all at once on medium to high heat until they're golden brown. Keep mixing them with a fork so that they don't burn at the bottom. And once they're lovely and brown like this, then you can take them out and let them drain on some paper towel and then just let it cool. And that's it. That's how easy and delicious these yummy sweet puris are. They're super simple to make and super delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.